Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. Major update on Majah Hype. Majah Hype was arrested. Yeah, he was arrested. SWAT team, kickoff door, and all of them things. Just like, subscribe, share, show that you care, leave a comment. And this is just a quick update. This is Talking News. Majah Hype was arrested, and the charges are kidnapping, battery, and terroristic threats. These are some serious charges. He did bail himself out, but Jano, it's opinion time. Jano, I don't know what to say, because the man have a career. You know, he been doing this thing. Everybody saw him, who followed him, saw him rise up out of the trenches and do everything. But right now it's not looking good for the career or the brand. Brethren, boy, this is tough. Jail over a gal? Nah, man, you're a superstar. You have to come better than that. Would it be frame or something like that? There's no disrespect. I'm just saying it may be hard, but you got to get yourself in order and start getting back to doing what you do. Because, excuse me, Jano, those are some serious things. What's in the dark is always going to come out in the light. So I don't know who's wrong, who's all right, but that whole situation, I've been trying to not really, vlog on it that much, because to me it's just like, damn, I don't know what's going on. Tell you the truth, it's 1 minute it goes left, then it goes right, front, center. I don't know what to say, but jail is a serious thing, and I'm not gonna hope anything. All I know that people got to get themselves in order. Separate yourself from wickedness if someone is wicked. Always do that. Trust me. Don't let them draw you out and make you get yourself in trouble. Male and female. This is just general advice. Because we all go through it. Sometimes we have hard times. We don't really like what be going on with whatever situations. But jail is a serious thing. Jano. Well, this is Daddy Reddss, and this is Talking News. Like, subscribe, share, show that you care. If there's any way we can make this thing better, please let us know, and we'll do so. DADDYREDDSS@gmail.com. Daddy Reddss, 2 D's and 2 S's @gmail.com. Since I am Daddy Reddss, the reggae ambassador, I will always cause a musical massacre. Tread out for now.